Hello, I'm Wanda with ADAR's Indoor Plant Specialists, and I just wanted to cover real quick this type of self-watering pot that I sell a lot of. Okay, here's the pot. You take the lid out and see that there's a wick in here. The wick goes down and it touches the bottom of this pot. Right now there's actually no water in there, but this wick is still wet, as you can see. It's dripping water. So what you do is you can put water in the base of this pot. You have to make sure that the water line, you have to make sure that the water line does not go above the bottom of the little black pot. So if you need a gauge, this is where the black pot is going to be sitting in there. The water line needs to be down at the bottom inch, probably bottom half inch is a good rule of thumb. And that's basically it. You can top water on this guy if you want. And sometimes it depends on what plant is in there. Or you can lift up the bottom and water. See how full it got already? So this is one of the little pots. They don't hold very much. And that's it. That's all you got to do. One thing though to be aware of, if your plant gets really dry, water might run right through it. Now you want the soil saturated. That's what the plants really like. So if the water is just running through it really fast, you might want to water it for a little while, get rid of the excess water, and then go ahead and put a little in the base for it to suck up. But if the soil is a little bit moist at all, you can always just add water in the base or just water a little bit on the soil. That's it.